I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Did you guys notice anything new? I changed my intro. And before I get into that, look at these nasty looking nails, y'all. I have extremely bitten nails and I am transforming them today. If you guys did not see the thumbnail, I am doing some press-ons that I got from Amazon on my nails today, and I'm just showing you guys how I make my press-ons last. Also, I started recently selling my polygel press-ons again. So if you guys want to purchase, let me know. I'm using the cuticle remover by Blue Cross, and I'm just putting that on all of my cuticles, and I'm making sure all of that dead skin and stuff is gone, and put my cuticles are pushed back really nicely. And by now, I'm pretty sure my YouTube handle is changed too, because duh, like I am your fairy nail godmother because I am here for you, and whatever you need, I got you. But yeah, we're cleaning off that extra, like the dust, the oils, whatever, before going in with my e-file. And as you can see, I'm gonna make sure my e-file is on one. So I'm just going to go ahead and file lightly, gently file my nail beds to get all of the gunk off if I have any. And this is also going to help me when it's time to dehydrate my nails as well. Because once you get like I did have a slight layer of like base coat on there. So once you get all the product and all of that off, it's going to be so much easier to dehydrate your nail bed, which is essential for any set. You need to dehydrate and prime, but the only way for your prime to work really good is if you dehydrate first. So this step is crucial. You have to get your nail beds completely clean. As you guys can see, I am still using ceramic even for my nails as well. I find that using the ceramic, and I only use this bit specifically for my nails, and only for my cuticle, because I just feel like it gets so much more off, and it's not as harsh as the metal ones or whatever the other ones are, the standard ones that you guys usually see. This one is much more like, I don't know, gentle in my opinion, to me. That's just to me. But now I'm going in clipping that extra skin off of my cuticle. Um, and y'all, when I say my skin was so tough and so thick, when I go on like a biting nail little episode, for some reason when my nails grow back or start to grow back, my cuticle area is very, very tough. It sticks to my nail bed. So I have to do a whole lot in order to make sure my nail beds are, not my nail bed, but like my cuticle area is really, really clean and not too thick, if that makes sense. These are the tips that I got off of Amazon. I just wanted to give them a try because I know that I'm getting back into doing my sets. So those are the sets that I'm going to be doing, like my custom orders and all of that. Those are the sets that I'm going to be doing for my videos mostly. So, and it is just to give my nails a break, because as you can see, if I'm not biting them, then I'm doing them. And 9 times out of 10, if my nails are not done, I'm biting them. So I try to keep them done, but it's like if I keep them done, how am I going to keep doing nails? So that's why we're putting press-ons back on the table, and they are polygel press-ons. They're not flimsy, they're not thin like these right here that I'm about to show you how to thicken up. They're not thin. You'll be able to reuse them, reshape them, do whatever you want to them. So yeah. This is the base coat and top coat that I'm going to be using today. You can also use Kappa. I have a big ass bottle of Kappa, but I don't use it because I am designating that for my press-ons. And before going in with primer, which I'm doing right now, I did go in with acetone. I did not have any dehydrator, but acetone works exactly the same. Acetone removes any oils, it strips everything off of your nails. So, I went in with acetone because I ran out of dehydrator, and now I'm going in with 2 coats of primer. In between the first coat and the second coat, I do allow them to dry. And then after allowing those 2 coats to dry, I am going to go in with 2 coats of base coat, and you want to cure in between each of those base coats. You can do a flash cure for the first coat, and then the second coat, you do want to do a full cure. I usually do 60, but 90 seconds is good too. I I like 90 seconds just because, or even like 120, just because some of the base coats, not base coats, some of the top coats are like they have that sticky residue if you don't cure them long enough. Kappa, as soon as you put that in there, like it's clear, it's crystal, it's you rub against it, it's not gonna smudge or anything like that. So if you do want to invest in something in a top coat that's really, really good and is going to keep your nails shiny, Kappa is the one for you. I do still test out different products just because some people can't afford everything. So I like to still test things out. Um, so what I just did right here, what you want to do before putting the base coat inside of the nail and on your nail, you want to etch the inside of that tip. I already did that off camera, so you did not see that part, but you want to etch the inside of the tip, put base coat on your nail, and put base coat inside of the tip, and just smack them on together to make sure there's no bubbles, no air bubbles in there. If you have air bubbles in your nails, you can get fungus, you can get lifting, and they will pop off the more they get wet. If they are really, really sturdy and you do have little bubbles in there and it's still accessible for water or air to get in there, you can still grow fungus. So that's why I showed you guys that way. And I also used the cuticle pusher to remove extra, like the thick product that I had left over, and then whatever I couldn't get, I'm just using this nail bit to go ahead and clean up the cuticles before I go in with my rubber base coat. So what the rubber base coat is going to do is going to thicken these up. Right now, they're very, very flimsy. Soon as you, even if you try to scratch your scalp, they're going to bend. So that's just a fair warning. And also, if you only top coat it, eventually the white tip is going to come off. So that's another reason why I'm going in with 2 coats of this clear rubber base coat. I recommend doing 3. I thought 2 was going to be enough, but 3 to be safe. I like mine's extra sturdy, so that's why I recommend doing 3. I only did 2, and I still felt like they were not sturdy enough for me. So definitely do 3. But yeah, just giving you guys, you know, making a mistake so you guys don't have to make one. Use 3 instead of 2. 3 is going to save you. Trust me. You do every single step, and I'm going to put every single step down in the description. Step 1, step 2, step 3, da da da. Yeah, I'm going to put it down in the description for you guys because I know that I'm probably talking really, really fast, and this is a short video, so I do want to make it to where you guys can reference back. And this is also how I, besides the rubber base coat, how I actually adhere the tips. That's how I had adhere my I'm sorry you guys. I had a little little stutter moment. That's how I adhere my press-ons. So you can either use glue for these or base coat, but I prefer to use base coat just because it gives that longevity in my opinion. But I do want to just touch on my name change. I was doing my nails for a long time, and SHAENAILEDITT was just something that I thought about really, really quickly. And now, recently, I've been seeing a lot of people with nailed it at the end, but that's not even the reason why I changed it. I changed it because I was not resonating with my name anymore. I started when I was 21, maybe 20, doing my nails, and I honestly just felt like SHAENAILEDITT just did not fit me anymore. And ultimately, I just did not like it anymore. Like, it was not given. Like, it did not make me want to create. And now it does. So, yeah. After doing both of the coats on there, for you, you will be doing 3. You want to go ahead and rub off that sticky tacky layer. Um, it's a slight one. It's not as bad as it is when you use polygel. It's very slight. And I only did that so that my file doesn't get clogged, even though I'm not going over the top of my nails to file. I'm only going over the edges to make sure they're nice and rounded. Just because these ones came on that little thing where you have to like rip them off. So I know that some of the nails had that little indentation from it. So I'm just cleaning that up. But other than that, like I did not need to file these at all. They came out really cute to me. I was gonna add more, but I just was like, girl, it's plain Jane season. Like I did not feel like doing so much because I know that I'm about to put all of my energy into doing my press on sets. So I kind of just wanted to do something nice and quick and also give you guys a tip on how to do your nails at home, even if you don't want to use polygel, and if you want your um press-ons to stay. And you can do this with any press-ons. This same exact method, you can do this with any press-ons. That rubber base coat, or you can even get builder gel. I don't really like builder gel because I don't feel like they put enough product in the bottles. That's just my opinion though. But yeah, you can use that or builder gel and whatever set. Even if you got a set from the dollar store. I can't even talk, y'all. Even if you got it from the dollar store, 99-cent store, Walmart, wherever you can see press-ons, get press-ons. If you do this method and you put them on there correctly, they're gonna stay. They're definitely gonna stay. Or you can use that nail glue that everybody be using on TikTok. But I never used it. I'm not even going that route because I know what nail glue does to me. So yeah. Now I'm just top coating and finishing these off. Make sure you clean up any extra product before curing in the lamp. And the way I like to top coat my nails is doing 2 at a time, and I do my thumb separately because sometimes you can't get that thumb completely. One half be cured, the other half don't be cured, and then you be messed up. Nah, we don't need that. So do 2 nails, then your thumb by itself. Then I'm going in now with some cuticle oil, and I'm just gonna rub that in really, really good. Make sure my cuticles are nice and moisturized because once again, I'm a nail biter. So to get my nails to grow, my cuticles need to stay oiled, right? And I need to drink water, right? Yeah. So, let me know what you guys think of this set down below. It really feels like I have conversations with you guys. I'm honestly like I'm getting in my bag, y'all. Like, I can't wait until I reach 10K. Like, I've been dreaming about it. Like, y'all don't even understand how emotional I get when I think about that because that is such a huge milestone. I've been doing nails for so long, and I just know my time is coming, and I really cannot wait. I'm getting emotional. Excuse me, y'all. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of the new intro. Let me know what you guys think of this set. And also, if you guys want to purchase some new press-ons, let me know down below. And or you can DM me on Instagram. All of my handles are about to start changing, so just keep up with me, you guys. And yeah, let me know, does this shape fit me or not? I like them longer with almond, but these are really cute. Don't get me wrong, they're really cute. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, babes. Mwah.